CHGG stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And I'm looking at Chegg Incorporated, good 10% pull down correction. I've done 38,000 videos, you know, no, like more than anyone else in this space. I mean, tell me another person that's done this for every single day for 4.5 years. I bet you won't. I have all the proof documented. My previous bias on this was quite bearish, and one thing that I'm still gonna say is that hasn't changed. Let me just do this thing here. Yeah, maybe sure, if the price does start to pick up eventually above like 88 cents, yeah, maybe then, but right now it's bearish, man. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. You'll find a lot of stocks here. Other than that, unless there's a big catalyst or breaks above 88, I'm sitting on the sidelines.